2015 Kawasaki Vulcan S. We're going to take it on a little night ride, obviously, as you can tell. So, yeah, we're about to have some fun. One thing I did not like about this bike stock was the headlight. A really fucking bright one. Mac Echo LEDs does great work. I love the halo ring. It's still nice and bright. That's just the daytime running light, the parking light, whatever you want to call it. That's what that is, and it's still pretty bright. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. As you can see, nice and bright. What's up, guys? What the fuck? I don't set off the fucking sensor. Ah, this sucks. Yeah, it spits flames. It's pretty cool. This shit doesn't turn green. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Fuck it. That one hurt. Curious as to what the fuck this is in front of me for. Like some rabies dog in the back or some shit. Zombie apocalypse. We're just like, what the fuck? Guys, well, that concludes this trip. Until next time, when we saddle up again. Other than that, be easy out there, ride safe, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please, y'all, help support the cause, help support me, help make me think I'm doing an okay job. I know I'm just new to this and it's probably fucking boring, but they're gonna get better. Just give me some time, get more content, we'll get the shit going. But yeah, just hit that subscribe button, hit the likes, thumbs up. Other way, peace out, have a good night, and so long, and ride safe.